Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy eating with a focus on diabetes management. It's not about restriction, it's about making smart and delicious choices. We're talking about flavorful, exciting dishes that just happen to be great for your blood sugar levels. So, let's explore the 5 best soups for diabetics that are both delicious and nutritious. These soups are packed with flavor, easy to make, and most importantly, they won't spike your blood sugar levels. Let's get cooking. First up, we have lentil soup. If you're looking for a hearty, satisfying soup that won't send your blood sugar soaring, lentil soup is your new best friend. Lentils are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber and protein, both of which play a key role in managing blood sugar levels. Fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. And protein helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be a game changer when you're managing your weight and blood sugar. When you eat a meal high in simple carbs, like white bread or sugary cereals, your blood sugar spikes, and then you crash a little while later, leaving you feeling hungry and craving more sugary snacks. But when you incorporate fiber and protein into your meals, like in this lentil soup, you're providing your body with a slow and steady release of energy, keeping those blood sugar levels stable and your hunger pangs at bay. And let's not forget about the taste. Lentil soup is incredibly versatile and flavorful. You can make it with just a few simple ingredients, or you can get creative and add in your favorite vegetables, herbs, and spices. Imagine this: a warm bowl of lentil soup on a chilly evening, the aroma of cumin and coriander filling your kitchen. You take a sip, and the flavors explode in your mouth. The lentils are tender, the vegetables are cooked to perfection, and the broth is rich and savory. It's the perfect comfort food, and it's doing wonders for your health. You can even make a big batch of lentil soup on the weekend and enjoy it throughout the week. It's a great meal prep option for busy weekdays. Just reheat and enjoy. So, how do you make this magical lentil soup? Well, it's easier than you might think. You'll need some lentils, of course, vegetable broth, onions, carrots, celery, and your favorite spices. You can find a simple recipe right here on our channel. Trust me, once you try this lentil soup, it's going to become a staple in your diabetic-friendly meal plan. Next up, we're talking about a classic comfort food: chicken vegetable soup. This isn't just any chicken soup. This is a diabetic-friendly powerhouse packed with lean protein and non-starchy vegetables. We're using lean chicken breast here, which is a fantastic source of protein without the added fat and calories. Protein is essential for stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But what really makes this soup special is the abundance of non-starchy vegetables. We're talking carrots, celery, onions, maybe some leafy greens like spinach or kale. The possibilities are endless. These vegetables are low in carbohydrates and calories, but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They add a burst of flavor and texture to the soup while providing essential nutrients that support overall health. Now, you might be thinking, chicken soup? That's a bit bland, isn't it? But trust me, this soup is anything but bland. With the right combination of herbs and spices, you can create a flavor explosion in every spoonful. Imagine this: you come home after a long day, and the aroma of simmering chicken soup greets you at the door. You ladle yourself a bowl, and the steam carries the scent of fresh herbs and spices. As you take a sip, you taste the savory broth, the tender chicken, and the perfectly cooked vegetables. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, and it's doing wonders for your blood sugar levels. So, if you're looking for a diabetic-friendly soup that's both delicious and nutritious, look no further than chicken vegetable soup. It's a classic for a reason. Tomato basil bliss, a diabetic-friendly delight. Let's talk about a soup that's bursting with flavor and perfect for those following a diabetic-friendly diet. Tomato basil soup. Tomatoes are naturally low in carbohydrates, which means they won't cause a dramatic spike in your blood sugar. And here's the best part: they're packed with vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C, potassium, and lycopene. Lycopene, in particular, is a powerful antioxidant that has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, which is especially important for individuals with diabetes who may be at a higher risk. Now, let's talk about basil. Basil isn't just a delicious herb that adds a burst of freshness to this soup. It also boasts some potential health benefits. Some studies suggest that basil may help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for regulating blood sugar levels. But let's be honest, the real reason we love tomato basil soup is the flavor. The sweetness of the tomatoes combined with the aromatic basil creates a symphony of flavors that's both comforting and refreshing. Imagine this. You're craving something warm and comforting, but you don't want to derail your blood sugar levels. You reach for a bowl of tomato basil soup. Its vibrant red color a feast for the eyes. As you take a sip, the flavors dance on your tongue. The sweetness of the tomatoes, the slight tang, and the fresh, herbaceous aroma of the basil. It's a flavor combination that's hard to beat. So, next time you're looking for a diabetic-friendly soup that's both delicious and nutritious, give tomato basil soup a try. It's a true crowd pleaser that won't disappoint. Minestrone Magic, a diabetic-friendly Italian adventure. Get ready to transport your taste buds to Italy with our next diabetic-friendly soup. Minestrone. This classic Italian soup is a celebration of fresh vegetables, hearty beans, and flavorful broth, making it a nutritional powerhouse that's perfect for managing blood sugar levels. One of the things that makes minestrone so great for diabetes management is its abundance of fiber-rich beans and vegetables. We're talking kidney beans, cannellini beans, zucchini, carrots, celery, onions. The list goes on. These ingredients are low in carbohydrates and calories, but high in fiber, which, as we know, is crucial for slowing down sugar absorption and preventing those dreaded blood sugar spikes. But minestrone isn't just good for your blood sugar. It's also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. The variety of vegetables provides a wide range of nutrients, ensuring that you're getting a healthy dose of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and folate. Now let's talk about the flavor. Minestrone is a symphony of flavors and textures. The broth is rich and savory, the vegetables are tender, but still have a bit of bite, and the beans add a creamy texture that's incredibly satisfying. Imagine this. You're craving a hearty, flavorful meal that won't leave you feeling weighed down. You ladle yourself a bowl of minestrone, its vibrant colors a feast for the eyes. As you take a sip, you taste the savory broth, the tender vegetables, and the creamy beans. So next time you're looking for a diabetic-friendly soup that's both delicious and nutritious, give minestrone a try. Butternut Squash Serenity, a diabetic-friendly autumnal delight. Finally, let's talk about a soup that's perfect for those chilly autumn evenings. Butternut Squash Soup. This creamy, comforting soup is not only delicious, but also incredibly diabetic-friendly, thanks to the star ingredient butternut squash. Butternut squash is a nutritional powerhouse that's low in calories and carbohydrates, but high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Butternut squash is also an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function. Potassium is crucial for regulating blood pressure, and magnesium plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. But let's be honest, the real reason we love butternut squash soup is the flavor. Its naturally sweet and nutty flavor lends itself perfectly to a creamy, comforting soup. Imagine this. It's a crisp autumn evening, and you're craving something warm and comforting. You ladle yourself a bowl of butternut squash soup, its vibrant orange color a feast for the eyes. As you take a sip, you taste the sweetness of the squash, the warmth of the spices, and the creamy texture that's both comforting and satisfying. So, next time you're looking for a diabetic-friendly soup that's both delicious and nutritious, give butternut squash soup a try. It's a true autumnal delight that won't disappoint. Stay healthy and Soup-erb. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these soup ideas helpful and are excited to try these diabetic-friendly recipes. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and see you next time.